Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional on Monday. Yes, it's the additional of Monday, Blue Monday, 7 January the 17th, 2022. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars puzzle. We have 2 puzzles left: tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. It's time for the binary. Yes, binary number 3993. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Interesting. Double O, here one, there one. Well, interesting. Well, a lot of comparing, I think here. Well, we have here a 1 and an O, and I know between a 1 and an O, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, the second O, third O, the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, the second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Then. We have here again a 1 and an O there with 2 empty boxes between. I do not know in which order, so the O and a 1 there, same for here, O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, O and a 1 there. So the first O, second O, third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Same story for this row. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. An O and a 1 there. Here also an O and a 1 there. So we have here the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Here we have also an O and a 1 there with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have here the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Okay. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. 3. Interesting. This one. Yeah. I think we need to compare. So we have one row completed. Here only one row. 1001. Hmm. 1001. And we have two columns. Double O here. This column and the last column. O O O O 1 1 1 1 O empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Okay. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. And now, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Need to compare one more time, I think. The question is the columns or the rows? Well, this one and that one. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Then I cannot compare this row. Can I compare this row? Double O. Do we have double O here? No. So we need to compare the columns. Do we have double O? One. This column and the last column. Empty box. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Finish in 8 minutes. Wow. Interesting. This binary is a interesting binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle of today on Blue Monday. It will be a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.